What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this Nuke photo effect in Photoshop in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. To unzip the file on your Mac, simply double-click it. After extracting the file, a new folder will open up containing the template file. When this is done, navigate to the Photoshop file in the folder and drag and drop it into your Photoshop project. Keep in mind, the time it takes for the project to load might vary based on your PC's performance. Once the Photoshop interface is visible on your screen, you'll be introduced to the Nuke effect, which you will learn to apply to your artwork. Your first task is to use this effect on your artwork. In the Layers section of Photoshop, look for this smart object and double-click on it. This action will open a new tab displaying a canvas with a placeholder image. You can ignore this placeholder. Instead, focus on your artwork. Drag and drop it onto the canvas, adjusting it to match the dimensions of the canvas for a perfect fit. After positioning your artwork, press Enter. Then, navigate to the Layer panel and select the existing layer. Look for an icon to change the color of this layer and select Solid Color. Using the Color Dropper tool, pick a color from your photo that matches the background. This step is crucial for integrating the Nuke effect seamlessly in your artwork. Finally, press Ctrl and S to save your adjustments. Return to the original Photoshop tab to see a preview of your art piece, now transformed with the dynamic Nuke effect. Once you're happy with the changes, it's time to save your project. Head to File in the toolbar and select Save a Copy. Next, rename the file and change the file type to PNG if you're exporting the image with a transparent background, or JPEG if you kept the background. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.